guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Zena and I teach you how to make delicious and creative plant-based recipes from the comfort of your home. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these super easy, vegan and gluten-free 7-ingredient double chocolate cookies, and they're basically done in only about 15 to 20 minutes. Now before I get into this, I just want to make sure to ask that you please subscribe to this channel and turn the notifications on so you don't miss any new delicious vegan recipes. Now let's get into it. So it's super simple. We are just going to start mixing the wet ingredients in the bowl right now. So get a large bowl and we're going to add almond butter. Then we're going to take aquafaba. This is the water from a can of chickpeas. You could also use the cooking liquid from cooking your own dried chickpeas. And then we just add a splash of vanilla extract. And then we are going to stir all these wet ingredients together with a spatula. So next we're going to add all of the dry ingredients in a sifter over the wet ingredients, so you only have to use one bowl for this recipe. We're going to add coconut sugar. We're also going to add cocoa powder. And we're going to add baking soda. So you'll want to mix all of these dry ingredients in the sifter as you sift it down. The dough will look dry at first, but keep combining it until it all sticks together. Once you shape it into cookies, it will hold together better. Once the dough has all come together, you're just going to want to fold in your vegan chocolate chips. Once you've folded in the chocolate chips, you're just going to chill this mixture in the fridge to make it a little bit easier to work with. I like to chill it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. While the dough chills, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now, we're gonna take the chilled dough and make about 15 cookies. You're just gonna drop rounded spoonfuls. Make sure they're round because they will spread out in the oven. Now we are just gonna put these cookies in the oven for about 9 to 12 minutes. Let the cookies cool for 2 minutes before moving them to a cooling rack. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this recipe, and if you did, make sure to subscribe for more delicious vegan recipes. I can't wait to see you next time.